Introducing UV Marine, Quik Your Putty from RBL Products. UV Marine Putty can repair scratches, gouges, cracks, pinholes, and other surface defects in seconds. Our UV Marine Putty can be used on fiberglass, gel coats, aluminum, steel, plastic, wood, and so much more. Our putty is simple to use and easy to apply. Here we found an imperfection on our surface. Apply a small amount of bright white UV Marine Putty onto the imperfection. Use a sheet of UV 881 UV spreading film to flatten the putty and to spread it evenly across the imperfection. Next, take the handheld 10-watt UV curing light and place it over the putty. Our UV Marine Putty is 100% solids with a zero shrink. Within seconds, the UV Marine Putty is fully cured and ready for sanding. Sand until it's completely feathered. If needed, the UV Marine Putty is ready to prime and paint. UV Marine, the faster filler for boat yards, marinas, boat builders, detailers, and boat owners. UV Marine Putty by RBL Products.